Wagwan people, wagwan. Let me just put this out there quick and fast. Any video, including this one, that I'm going to review now, break down now, react to now, never seen them before. I do not watch the videos before I react to it. So what you are getting is my 100% honest opinion, honest reaction. Okay? I'm not asking you to agree with everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing on this channel. All I'm asking you to do is respect my opinion. Okay? Respect my opinion just like how I respect yours. Okay? So I just wanted to get that out of the way. You don't have to respect me. Respect my opinion, because everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Alright? So let's jump into the video and enjoy it. Alright? Peace. Yo, wagwan, one of the. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reactions. And today, people, we are doing Abigail, Asante. Say her name, Asante. Big Facts. And this is an IVD disc, Ivorian Doll disc. So, let me say disc. It's not disc, idiot. This. Yeah, this. D-I-S-S, this. Yeah, I gotta carry you that in a sense, man. So today, once again, we're gonna jump into this and break it down and see what I go on. But before we do anything else, guys, please remember, see it here? Please remember it. Golden rule. You know what time it is already, people. So this video was brought to me by a comment. See the comment here? And them say if I react to it. I never even know so one next song drop at this Ivorian Doll. Ivorian Doll stir up the ants nest. So you know, so we're there. Stormzy, we still have it. Where's Stormzy there? Where's Stormzy there? Still are waiting now. We are dealing with Storms. Yo, what am to you? Reply. I am to Big Mike. Brother, mind yourself now. If you hear something going on in the background, I'm a fan. But anyway, without further delay. That rhyme, right? Anyway, without further delay. Let's jump in another one here. Abigail, curious, you know. Fully chained down. You look serious like a judge. She's serious like a heart attack. None smile.
If I back my pen, then bore her, no reset won't ever restore her.
Wait. Me never expect. If I back my pen, that's too early for that. Let's go. Oh, people, the water there and the upgraded lighter. I have an upgraded lighter here, no people. See that? Hold on. Nah, work. It's something not work. But the lighter there. Alright. Let's go again.
If I back my pen, then bore her, no reset won't ever restore her. The ghostwriter's got more work, that's a back ain't working no twice.
Did you say the ghostwriters have more work? So basically the ghostwriters are alright for Ivorian Doll. Them are gonna have more work for. Okay.
Reset won't ever restore her. The ghostwriter's got more work, that's a back ain't working no twice. This girl ain't done no drillings, gapping your teeth, mysterious feelings.
Have a gap in your teeth, mysterious feelings. Does she have a gap in her teeth for sure? I never really noticed that, you know. Does she have a gap in her teeth? I don't know. I have a gap in my teeth, 2 gap. Then call me zinc fence. You know, in a fence, you have a perfect fence and you have one missing, but teeth jump out. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Your girl, some gap cute. Let's go.
No gap in my teeth, I'm grinning. Smile on my face, abs is winning.
No gap in your teeth, your.
The ghostwriter's got more work, that's a back ain't working no twice. This girl ain't done no drillings, gap in your teeth, mysterious feelings. No gap in my teeth, I'm grinning. Smile on my face, abs is winning.
No gap in the teeth, I'm grinning. Feel like you take a shot at me now, my girl. You watch my channel, Abigail? I like how you take a shot at the gap teeth people, them dog. Like, your song I go and sing.
I told them that you're a liar, stupid girl, you're playing with fire.
Hey, they play with fire, you know. Who is this girl? Did IVD this her? the freestyle? Who is she? Who is she?
You came to my house free strong, jump in the ring if that's what you're on. You're a stupid girl, you're playing with fire. You came to my house free strong, jump in the ring if that's what you're on.
You come on my house 3 strong, so you and your 2 friends come on my house, you make 3, come on my house them. You're jumping in the ring with fire if I saw, if I beef. I could take it outside the studio and beef it, can you come on my house? I understand you.
Tell bounce I'm ready, I'm strong, stupid girl if that's what you're on. Stupid girl if that's what you're on. You had to tell them you're leaking, bad boy info, everything leaking.
Shalik. So she a tell we say IVD a leak bad boy info. So IVD a informer. Fire for that. You know like informer boy, you know. Fire! Water! Water! You know like informer boy, yeah. Know yourself.
I won't hold back, I'm speaking, truth be told, no deceiving. We had to go mash some work, could not go, you mashed that work. 9 times they gave you drink. We had to go mash some work, could not go, you mashed that work.
We had to go mash some work, you could not go, you mash. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. I don't understand what she said. Hold on there. You have to go mash some work.
To tell them you're leaking, bad boy info, everything leaking. I won't hold back, I'm speaking, truth be told, no deceiving. We had to go mash some work, could not go, you mashed that work. 9 times they gave you drillings, I'm not lying, I'm not fibbing.
Last night,
could not go, you mashed that work. 9 times they gave you drillings, I'm not lying, I'm not fibbing.
9 times they gave you drilling. What she mean by that? She mean say 9 man drill. No, I'm gonna say now. I do not want to go there. I am not going there. I am going to refrain from going there. Let her keep on elaborating. I am big words. I know big words. Elaborating. That for those of you who don't know it, keep talking. Yeah, that's it, mate. Yeah, big words.
No joking, no kidding. Dug your grave, just keep digging. I still want to be friends. Fuck all of that. Time for the killing.
I don't understand what she said. She said want to be friends?
Dug your grave, just keep digging. I still want to be friends. Fuck all of that. Time for the killing.
Okay, so she's just taking the piss when she said, I still want to be friends. And she said, F all of that. Killings. No friendship. Okay.
Far from scared, I'm willing. I'm so cold, I'm chilling. V got put in the split, I'm billing. Wheel it up, time for the spinning.
Hello. What you say? You want to talk to me? Alright, what you say?
Hello.
Yes, mom.
Oh, our mother, I know me.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
Alright, mother, me think of me. Wrong number.
Abigail. You are... Hello.
Yes, mom.
Abigail. You are trending on Twitter again.
It's okay.
All my church friends are sending me this on WhatsApp.
Wait.
Yeah, water. Fire again. Abigail, you are trending on Twitter again. Our mother called her and she feels say our mother was gonna start cussing her about something. Abigail, you didn't wash up the plate them. Abigail, you never cook the dinner and leave it before you go and do your music video or whatever you want to call it. That's what the mother said. Because you know these older generation don't understand certain terms. I say, Mom, I'm gonna tell you a music video. She said, music video? What do you mean music video? Abigail, I'm not trying to talk like your mother, by the way. Big up your mother. But Abigail, your mom is funny, bro. Like, really funny.
Hello.
Yes, mom.
Abigail. You are...
Abigail. They got my African friend, we have them African parents, you know.
Trending on Twitter again.
It's okay.
All my church friends are sending me this on WhatsApp.
Wait. You need an IUD. This gal is a walking cemetery.
She's a walking cemetery. You know what that is? Which part me come from? You know which part that is? You know what that is? A walking cemetery meantime, when time a girl is pregnant and she get rid of the baby, them call her a walking cemetery. And me say, yo, listen, when you walk past the cemetery, baby, I call your name. Baby, Duppy, I call your name. And you say, Ivorian doll, you dash me way. That's the Duppy I say. Ivorian doll, you the girl that talk. I don't mean say that, you know, that's a fire still. You're walking cemetery, Ivorian doll. I don't mean say that. I'm just saying, I'm not being biased. Like, if at the end of this, if the freestyle not good, I'm gonna say it not good. I'm gonna say it not good. Nobody can beat me. I'm telling you that already in the last video. I'm telling you that already. Even though not the last video, I was a bit harsh. When I said it 2 weeks. They are I'm sorry, Fabulous song 2 weeks. What I meant by that was our song was not what I expected. It started off fiery and then it just dropped. It just dropped and then she started talk. I never like that. Some of them say it's not enough. For me, it's not enough. Obviously, she have our fans out there, but for me, I don't know none of these girls, so I'm just speaking as it is. Ivory and Dal, don't take me get it. You're a walking cemetery. That's how she said. I mean, listen.
You are trending on Twitter again.
It's okay.
All my church friends are sending me this on WhatsApp. Oh.
Wait. You need an IUD. This gal is a walking cemetery. Want war like military. A before B, I'm leading B. You're trying to sound like me. I know all your secrets, B.
So, was these two girls friends before? Cause she said, you try to sound like me. You come at my house already. Let's be friends. Like, them know each other personally then. I for Randall, oh, you know Abigail. You know Abigail, right? Hey, Charlie, what is going on here, my friend? She know her. You know her. Hey, let's go, fire.
You're a dirty girl. Secretly, I'll slap
You're
your
dirty.
secrets, B. You're a dirty girl.
You're a dirty gal. Secretly. Fire.
Secretly, I'll slap this girl out. Budum da dum dum budum da dum dum dum. Secretly, I'll slap this girl out. Budum da dum dum budum da dum dum dum.
I want time to say it. Why you overkill it? Abigail, why are you overkilling it? Budum dum boom, budum dum dum. That if I repeat, you know, I'll slap this girl like budum dum dum dum.
Secretly, I'll slap this girl out. Budum da dum dum budum da dum dum dum. I'll spin this little girl like DVD. Don't play with me. Call back.
Hey, little girl, me spinning like a DVD. Oh, remember DVD? I was spinning like a DVD. Hey, don't put me in a girl.
And jump in the ring, stupid girl, don't play with me. Your evil eye is bleeding me. Your walking, talking demon.
Your evil eye is bleeding, Ivorian. Your evil eye is bleeding. Whopping it. Boom, 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 boom. And again, she repeat it. Boom, 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 boom. 2, you getting up. Now your eye. See, yeah, I go bleed Ivorian. And I me say so.
Demon lying, catching STD.
What?
It's bleeding me. Your walking, talking demon lying, catching STD.
Hey, girl, you catch STD. You catch sexual transmitted disease. Just lie down with dog and you come out with flea. Hey, girl, the only gun you have a gonorrhea. Girl, every man sleep by you in the neighborhood. Girl, every man you pass your hand to one like cellular. Girl, you no look good. You do it in a bush and come back in a party and go like your stoosh. Girl, warm to you. Your bed dey pan black. Girl, warm to you. In a microwave dirty. Girl, warm to you. You know say your house want clean. Girl, warm to you. You know say your jars woolly and it not clean. Girl. Alright, done.
I want to go home. I want to go home.
I've earned that. I'm sorry. I don't need to. I don't need to say that. I've earned that. I'm sorry, B. I'm sorry. She has said that, you know.
It's bleeding me. Your walking, talking demon lying, catching STD. Ain't got time for the rumors, big facts, I'm talking B. I can name them bodies, big facts, no unknown B. You're a dirty girl, that's unknown T.
You're a dirty girl like unknown T? What?
Facts, no unknown B. You're a dirty girl, that's unknown T.
Unknown T. You're dirty girl like unknown T. Oh God. You're dirty girl like unknown T. So unknown T. Are you just saying unknown T? Tony can be that girl on me. In name unknown T, right? Yo, that song about still now. That song about to me that song better than our fabulous song. That song better than our fabulous song. At least you get some fire and she say it. But in my personal belief, Ivor Randall still a lead them. My personal belief, Ivor Randall is still leading them. That is my personal belief. Don't fight it. Respect my decision. Not my decision. Respect my opinion. Like how I respect you guys. People, let me know what you think in the comment section below about Abigail Asante. Abigail, you are too bad, eh? You're too wicked, man. What is wrong with you, eh? So yeah, that is me for now, people. If you enjoyed that, leave a like below. Understand? Well, no, like it before you watch it anyway. Monkey face. I'm gone. Me what I hear. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Alright? Peace.